Folks, my name is Mark Stevens. I want to say thank you so much for taking a look at this video. I wanted to talk about this GoFundMe page, how important this is. As you and I know that there's so many people that have dreams and they need help. Let's just keep it real. And I wanted to do a video, unscripted, and I wanted to talk about Shyrus Duckett. We actually call him the C Train. I've known Shyrus forever. He's actually my nephew. And I'll tell you what, he's been playing football forever, and ever since he was a little kid, I always knew that he would become a professional one day. Well, the good news is Shyrus Duckett will be playing in the Olympics, which is huge, especially for a football player. So I'm really excited about this and to see him go after his dreams. And we call him the C Train. Why? Because you can't stop a train when it's coming, especially 200 miles an hour. And I'll tell you what, you wouldn't want him to hit you. But with that being said, we need your guys' help. Yes. I need everybody that knows Shyrus, that knew him in church or has known him in church, or friends or family, or if you're just a big fan of just helping people or a big football fan. So what I'd like you to do is help us out. We're going to need some help to take Shyrus, the C Train Duckett, to the Texas area. So we're going to need some help. We're going to be flying them out there, and I'll tell you what, these expenses are expensive. So what we're doing is we're looking at focusing on raising $2,500. Yes. So if you guys could help out, that would be totally fantastic. And again, I just want to say thank you so much for even just taking a look at this video. So help us out. Have a great day. God bless you. And we'll see you all